I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by signing into the exact Twitch account that owns the clip, because deletion rights depend on ownership. Once signed in, navigate to Creator Dashboard, then Content, then Clips. This displays clips in chronological or filtered order. Make sure to apply filters like date range or channel to narrow results. This saves time when many clips exist. Now select the clip thumbnail you want to remove so you can access the clip's detail and deletion controls. With the clip selected, click the three-dot menu and choose Delete. Twitch will prompt you to confirm to avoid accidental loss. Once you confirm, the clip is removed from public view and your channel's clips list. If you have multiple clips to remove, use the bulk select option where supported to delete several at once. This is faster than one by one. For clips tied to a VOD, double-check the originating VOD first, because deleting the VOD may also affect. After deletion, refresh the clips page and view your channel in an incognito browser or a different account to verify the clip is gone. This ensures it's not a local cache showing a stale result. If the clip still appears, clear your browser cache or wait 5 to 10 minutes for CDN propagation, then recheck. If the clip persists despite confirmation, record the clip ID and timestamp, and contact Twitch support with that information so they can investigate server-side issues and complete the removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.